Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Chemistry with RK. So hope everyone is doing well. So today I came with a continuous doubt. My students were continuously asking me, sir, there are so many chapters are deleted from NCERT. So what are they and what is their weightage for competitive exams? So let me just I have taken this particular concept for today to explain what are the chapters are deleted from NCERT and what is the weightage is going to be for the competitive exams. So firstly, I would like to request, so if you are new to the channel, so please do subscribe and please don't forget to click on the bell icon for the regular updates. So many concepts are yet to come. So many interesting topics are designed. Like I'm trying to design the lectures in a different way, innovative way. So please, I request everyone to support and then please do watch every video without skipping. Okay, and now actually in the entire intermediate, that is 11th and 12th, we have few chapters deleted from 11th class and then we have few chapters deleted from the 12th class. And these are the list of the chapters which are deleted from the NCERT textbook belong to the 11th class. And then there are few topics deleted from the second year NCERT also. So now, if you just see the list of the chapters, the states of matter, the first one, S block elements, environmental chemistry, hydrogen and its compounds, and then 13th and 14th group elements. They are boron and carbon family. Okay, and then moving to the second, that is 12th class, and then they have removed, solid state, and then surface chemistry, metallurgy, 15, 16, 17, 18. So entire B block is removed from the second year part. And then when it comes to first year, S block and P block, that is first year, second year, and the third year, fourth year. So it means from the entire 11th and 12th, they have deleted the complete inorganic part. So we have only D block, we have F block, we have complex compounds belonging to the inorganic chemistry part. So let's just see the chapters which are deleted, and then polymers, and then chemistry in everyday life. These are the 6 chapters deleted from 12th, and then 5 chapters deleted from 11th. And now sir, they have deleted the chapters. Most of my students, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे पूछ रहे हैं कि सर उन लोगों ने few chapters they have deleted from 11th, and then few chapters they have deleted from 12th. That's okay, sir. So students generally they feel very happy. So when the chapters are deleted from the book or from syllabus, generally students feel happy. But in this particular case, most of the students are बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ज़्यादा feel हो रहे कि yes, why did they delete these chapters? Because these chapters, out of this 5 and out of this 6, most of the chapters are easiest chapters. And now even a normal student, or what do you say that a student, most of the students will try to cover these topics, because if you just look at this environmental chemistry, it's a very small chapter and one question we can expect in any kind of competitive exam. When it comes to hydrogen and its compounds also, it is like comparably for the chapters which are still there in the book. So these are the chapters which are very small comparably in terms of syllabus, in terms of what do you say, the weightage. So, hydrogen and its compounds, environmental chemistry, these are the very small chapters where most of the students will feel very easy to learn the things. And then next, when it comes to second year, metallurgy, yes, most of the students feel that metallurgy, there is so much to remember, so much to by heart. Yes, I accept. There are so many techniques, the separation techniques, and then what do you say, the purification techniques. Okay, so but still the questions from this particular metallurgy used to come directly from the NCERT. So we have a very this is also comparably for the remaining chapters. This is also a small chapter, and then when it comes to polymers and then chemistry in everyday life, they are all very small chapters. But now the students are feeling, sir, why did they remove these chapters? Because they are very small. But we most of the students, even a normal to higher level student will be able score maximum the right answer. They have maximum tendencies to get positive answers for these chapters. And now the next question is, sir, they have removed these chapters from the textbook, but do they remove these chapters for the competitive exams? Yes, this particular confirmation is yet to come, because still till now there is no confirmation from NTA or maybe from NMC in terms of need. So NTA and NMC, they didn't give any confirmation regarding deletion of these particular chapters for the competitive exams. So suppose, let's say, sir, so they have removed these chapters from the NCERT. So what if they are going to remove for competitive exams as well? Obviously. So these are all very simple and very easiest chapters. Generally, students feel that. Okay. And now, if they are going to remove these chapters for competitive exams also, please, I am not giving you any confirmation. If in case, if they are going to remove these chapters, please make a note. I am just making if in case. So soon, within the next 1 month or maybe 45 days, they are going to give a confirmation regarding whether they are going to maintain these chapters for competitive exams or they are going to delete. So let us wait for that. Let us not take any self confirmation. Okay, what if these chapters are going to delete from the when it comes to MPC, that is when it comes to engineering stream, that is IIT, mains and advanced, and then when it comes to medical side, it is NEET. What if these chapters are going to delete? Suppose, let's say, there are two possibilities. In mains, that is for generally for mains, we have 30 questions. There are 30 questions totally. Okay, so 30 questions totally. And now in chemistry, we have totally of 30 chapters, close to 30 chapters. Okay, so I have included all the organic chemistry individual concepts into this 30 chapters. Let us take 30 chapters. ये 30 chapters में से 30 questions पूछने का possibility है. But from the past previous papers we can easily identify. हमने ये point तो समझ सकता है क्योंकि they generally don't ask one question from each chapter. Okay, so they may skip few chapters and then they may give 2 questions from one particular chapter. There are possibilities. Yes. Okay, so generally if you think about this, अभी देखो ये 30 chapters में से 30 questions पूछना है तो generally we expect that एक chapter से एक question आने का choices है, but they generally won't follow that. Yes, that's up to NTA. Okay, so NTA can take one question from each chapter, or they can take directly, what do you say, एक chapter को skip करके और एक chapter से 2 question भी देने का choices है. ऐसा भी बहुत सारे बार हो चुका है. Okay, and then next so if that is the case, 30 chapters में से 30 questions आना है. अभी देखो 11 chapters are deleted. 11 chapters delete किए तो 11 chapters ने delete किया. So 11 chapters delete किया है. And अभी 11 chapters delete किए तो अभी remaining कितना chapters होगा हमको? 19 chapters are remaining. Yes. And now what are those 19 chapters? I hope you can understand. Except these 11, the remaining are all included for the competitive exams. And now अभी देखो 19 chapters से उनमें से हमको 30 questions आना है. So अभी 19 chapters से 30 questions आने के लिए obviously there are lot of chapters. There are going to be lot of chapters from which we are going to get at least 2 or 3 questions. Okay, so in that case, what is the major possibility? अभी उन conditions में competition बढ़ेगा नहीं तो the competition is going to decrease. That is the main question generally students feel. And now up to me, this from this 19 chapters, if we are going to get 30 questions, we have very complicated chapters. Like among the chapters which are there in the NCERT, we have thermodynamics, we have electrochemistry, we have ionic equilibrium. There are generally these chapters students feel a bit difficult. अभी 19 chapters है तो इन chapters में से ज़्यादा questions आने का choices बहुत सारे हैं. अभी ऐसा टफ चैप्टर्स में से अभी एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का मुश्किल है तो अभी उन चैप्टर्स में से 2-3 क्वेश्चंस आए तो कैसा है, क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है. देन for me, up to me, the competition, generally the students are going to feel, the exam is going to be tough in terms of those chapters. So toughness is going to be increased. So competition obviously increases. Competition increases. The students, those who are very confident or very particular with those chapters, they are going to get the good score. And then the students, those who are going to be, what do you say that? Whoever feel those chapters are very tough, and then they are going to lose score. But please don't go for any confirmation, because till now there is no confirmation from NTA or NMC that these chapters are deleted for competitive exams. Let us hope for the best. So even for my students also, I say these chapters are very important, very small. So let us just pray for these chapters to include into our competitive exam, so that we can score well. Okay. Next, if we move to NEET. So NEET में पूरा we know that 45 questions है, 45 questions है, और हमारे लिए 30 chapters है. अभी हमारे लिए 30 chapters है, 45 questions है, तो obviously even in this case we obviously have 15 questions more than the chapters, which mean अभी बहुत सारे chapters है, उनमें से 2-3 questions आ रहा है already. And now they have removed 11 chapters. 11 chapters को delete किया है, तो obviously remaining are 19 chapters. अभी 19 chapters से 45 questions पूछना है. So obviously it is going to be, from each chapter the questions are going to increase. So please keep this point in mind, and then please, you have to improve your preparation. You have to improve your skills in problem solving. You have to feel self-confident. You have to feel self-motivated. Okay, so obviously soon we are going to get the confirmation about these particular chapters. So let us not take our self-confirmation or decision to skip these chapters in our preparation. Okay, so please don't do that, and then let us wait. Obviously I am going to update in case if any confirmation is being given from the NTA or NMC side. Soon I am going to post another video, hopefully with a good news, so that these chapters are included for the competitive exams. So until that, so please be strong, and then please try to focus on your studies. Thank you so much, and please, my request to everyone, that is, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I want your continuous support. Thank you so much. See you soon.